In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can rename these tabs in Microsoft Excel. So what a lot of people might not know is that these tab names can actually be changed, and you can add or delete tabs if you would like to. To do this, you go to File, all the way down to Options, and from here you're going to click on Customize Ribbon, where you will see on the right side the tab options like shown, which you have main tabs selected. From here you can uncheck the box to have the tabs not show. You can change the order of the tabs if you'd like to. You can even rename them. So just say you wanted to have the home tab and have that be renamed to original. It's not home, it's original. And let's just say for fun, I wanted to not have the formula tabs any formulas, but I wanted to rename it to black. And then I click OK. Now, as you can see, my home tab is now called original, and my formulas tab is called black. And you can do this to make your workbooks easier to navigate or navigate through, or you can even do this to mess with your coworkers if you want to. I said I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.